Here we can see the feature of hemichordates. Hemichordates are generally lacking the notochord. You can see here the structure of hemichordata. What do they have? They are having this bilateral symmetry, triploblastic, and these are coelomate. If we can see. Now if we are just studying the detailed structure of the hemichordata, we can see various parts in the body of hemichordata, that is proboscis, collar and trunk region is there. Proboscis helps in burrowing this organism under the sand because it is marine animal. It has paired, the gill slits are distributed throughout the body, and it has a proboscis gland which helps in the excretion of the waste. And next thing is about this, we can see hemichordata, that it is worm like marine animal. जैसे worm दिखता है वैसा ही होता है. Then example अगर हम देखेंगे तो Balanoglossus and Saccoglossus are the example of these hemichordata. But hemichordata we have studied. Now under the chordata, urochordata, cephalochordata and vertebrata are there. Why these are considered as a chordata? Because they bear notochord in any of the stage of their life, whether larva or adult throughout the life. So that is there. It have dorsal hollow nerve cord, Valentine gill slits were there, and the notochord you have just seen that. What are the basic features of the organism which are found under this category? We have seen one more thing, post-anal tail was left. Next we can see they are having which symmetry? Bilateral symmetry is there in chordata, triploblastic, coelomate. These are organ system level of organization is found in them. Circulatory system is closed. So that is the feature of chordata. But in chordata, if we will study about these members in detail, then the basic feature which we will found in them, that is the notochord. What happens in urochordata and cephalochordata? Here notochord is found in embryonic tail only, while here in the other it is found throughout the body in adult form also. So you can see here it is classified under the category protochordata because notochord is here developing, in the developing stage. You can see here example. In cephalochordates, that notochord is found, urochordata and cephalochordata. Now example is Ascidia and Doliolum. Here it is, the example is Branchiostoma. Basic difference which we found in this urochordata and cephalochordata is that in urochordata notochord is found, but in which form? In that larval stage, you can see in larval tail it is found. While in cephalochordata, notochord has developed from tail to head and it is found in adult also. But in vertebrata, if I am just talking about what is the difference in them, the notochord is further get covered by the, you can see this layer of calcium carbonate, or you can say vertebral column. It is enclosed inside the vertebral column. That is the basic difference of the notochord. Here one question is asked that do all the chordates are vertebrate or all the vertebrates are chordate. So यहाँ पे statement, this line is written in your NCERT book also. So the correct answer is that all the chordates are vertebrate, but all the vertebrates are not chordates. Why? Because chordata include those organisms which have that notochord. So all the vertebrates have notochord. So all the vertebrates are chordate, but all the chordates are not the vertebrates because in chordate, protochordata or cephalochordata and urochordata are also kept which do not have modification of notochord into vertebral column. So this thing is just discussed here, that the basic differentiation is done on the basis of notochord, which is a rod-like hollow structure inside which nerve tissues are flowing. Next, if I am just talking about the member of chordata, what is the feature in them? Like protochordata you have studied. In vertebrata, the basic feature is that they have heart. Heart could be two-chambered. You can see auricle and ventricle. Impure blood यानी deoxygenated blood आएगा, उसमें oxygen dissolve होगी, throughout the body push कर दिया जाएगा. Heart can be three-chambered. You can see impure blood is just coming inside the heart, and then what is happening? It is just going to the chamber for exchange of gases, then again it is pushed out of the body. It is having this three-chambered heart is there. Then in other organism, how many chambered heart is there? Four-chambered heart. So here in the member of chordata, chordata, that is vertebrata, we can found this heart, which are 2 chambered, 3 chambered and 4 chambered. Then we have kidney for the purpose of excretion of the nitrogenous waste in the member of that vertebrata. The next thing is here we can see example of vertebrata. Fishes are there, birds, these animals, humans, all are the member of vertebrata. So this is how these organisms are different from each other on the basis of presence of notochord and their modification also. So in vertebrata we have diverse group of organism in which notochord has modified into this vertebral column. It is just shown there. You can see modification of this notochord into that vertebral column. Vertebrata involves all these different diverse group of organism from frog, tortoise to